Hello and welcome to Getting Candid with me, your girl Helen. Today, I'm at Monolo Studios, one of the best producers I'll be chatting with him. He has worked with people like Oliver Mtukudzi. We know Zambians love Oliver Mtukudzi so much. I'm here sitting next to Clive Mono Mukundu. Now you have a child who is also a musician. Is it a he or she?
It's a he.
What does he do?
He plays the lead guitar just like me as well.
Oh, okay.
And he's now better than me.
He's now better. They always say, but that's a good thing because it means you did a good job. Do you teach him and do you work together sometimes?
We really work together because I'm not in a band and I'm just doing music production.
Yeah.
And he's working in bands. He's got a band called In Total. And he also plays for some of the biggest local artists, especially gospel musicians. And so he's very busy. We rarely work together.
Okay.
Very rare occasion.